guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Hi, bro. You are welcome home. Hi, brother. You are welcome home, bro. Yeah. This is the one of the survivor. He's the one of the survivor. He's welcome home. You people supposed to welcome this guy home. Any of them when be say, they go that journey of no return. Some of them return back. Instead of few people to welcome them home with a big ram, white ram. Oh my God. Rebe. Jesus is Lord. You know, my people don't see my face. That's how I view. This guy with some people when welcome back home. You have to welcome back them home. No, they use the thing they do saga. No, they put blame of them. Those people, you don't know where they go. They go to a place where be say, not everybody go there when go return. You people don't know the meaning of sea fight. Only actually, ohon ede. Ayoge nyana neroho na enyoha mewegbe. You guys understand me? Ayo na neroho na emyo ohon no sa mewegbe. Na neroho na emi ohon no se de wegbe. Because ede wan hugbe. You see this our brother that survived that journey, that bloody journey. He come back successfully with the rest people. Una suppose to welcome these people back. Una see the river when be say, these guys survive with the rest people survive. Una supposed to go do sacrifice, go give that river. For letting these people that come back say they don't buy for inside that river. Una go just neglect am. Tomorrow now, una go see carry una self, see arrange una self put for inside wood like sardine. This guy is a hero. I love this guy, Grace. When I look this guy, I feel this guy is a strong man and is a powerful man. The work when you they do, bro, not be that work you can't this life can't do. There is another work when you can't this life can't do. You are a great seer. Always say you never discover him. This guy now great seer, none of they see so. But it is hard to discover him. He get where he go reach, he go discover him. You see a lot of bloggers out there, they say this boy, they ring bell on top of water. The ancestors of this boy, the ancestors will protect this boy. Igbo people still get ancestors, strong one. When they say all of them, they run, leave the ancestors. They go Lagos, go sit down for there. They go Lagos, go sit down. Now you see some. After they don't do business, after they don't make a lot of money, the house when they build, they use to borrow money from bank. Everything, their business go. Nothing. Ubafuka. No be there God send you. I greet you, my darling. How you day? I greet you. That's my lovely, darling sister. You always greet me. They give me joy. You not be hater. You know? This guy is a great guy. We're supposed to welcome this guy home. Somebody that go to a place that is broadening, he come back home. Really, no survivor me. No be everybody water follow fight where if he survive that water. The grace in this guy, they give me water. If I see this guy, water go they enter my body. This guy, he get that spirit. That is why this guy, he dey inside that river. If they get up, they sit down. They get up, they sit down. The guy don't block anything. The guy was doing his job. The ancestors of this guy, when his papa and his mama, they serve, they were with this guy. Bro, you are welcome back. You are welcome back home. With the rest, when be say, God still safe. But the rest, when be say, they go, may the peace of the Lord be with them. Yes, may the peace of the Lord be with them. If motor get accident, not be everybody they die. Una they say, why this boy? Why something no happen to him? Why this boy? Why no buy? Now everybody when they motor accident. Now all of them they buy. Not the all of them they buy, so they survive. This guy, you are welcome back home. They say, make I can't tell you, say, you are welcome back home. If you be person when be say, wait till you carry come now, water, now you carry come this life. Now water, now you they serve. When somebody, fi escape death of river, you gonna say that person, now great man, I be, now great woman, I be. Bro, may I tell you, I know say this video not go reach where you do. In case if you can't see him, do sacrifice to that river. Do sacrifice, do it to that river. Do you understand? Thank you, my darling. I greet you too. See my people full here, oh, my people. I greet you. And they greet all of you now. Hey, that's my patient love. Even love, all of you now. The other one, you see, Ben, Brown, Bella. Una full here. I greet you now. I salute for you now. You people should welcome this guy back. He's welcome back home. Welcome back to life. Now, so we're supposed to welcome this guy. These are waiting. They're supposed to talk, say, this guy welcome back home. Did you know where this guy did? Una know where this guy, una know where he for commute with the rest. So una just still want say the one way they lost their life. Una just still want make these people still join them, lost their life. All of una they pull life for this boy head. This boy, you get grace. But you never discover the work when God sends you. But you are going to see, you be, now this thing you be. All those oracle, people when they control oracle. Go to your village and go and see all these men. You go discover waiting God tell you, say, me you can't do. You are welcome. You know, all those are that they talk, say you they ring bell. You they ring bell on top of river. That one, I ain't save the rest people. If not, all of them for buy. Not be the same river when the rest people for die. Not be that same river this boy for come out. Make una see amo. Now when they put for inside pot, now they don't. Now when they put for inside pot, they don't. So now they, if you cut and put for inside pot, so go down, me fiete. So go no go down. He's welcome back. But these people don't know what it be water. You don't know what it, they don't know what it water mean. When you even drink see water alone, if you wake up, you go say, wow. So now dream, now day. Bro, you are welcome back. Oboshan. Oboshan vi ame, nous we do we da dagbare. Evan le bacha me, evan le power na me mu. That is the ritualist this guy, your ancestors use make it do on top of that water. Now be that bed when ho. that bed when you hold, now peace. That bed when you hold, in the house of God, the God one they serve, church. And that say God, now he create river. You see, and that say God, now he create river. The bed that they use them for river. All local people, when you reach their shrine, that bed they with them. If they want go deliver person for this thing, they want do all local for person, that they hold that bed, they go, we don't come, we don't come, you see, huh? When they hear, the people when they river, when they hear that bed, they give them joy, they calm down. The one when this guy feel use take calm down, now be the people when be say they're safe. Una no know anything, make una know they talk about river. Make una know they talk about river. Thank God say, the journey when they go, no be all of the person. Did you know that there is some ship when it go perish for inside water? Everything when, all the human being when they inside that ship, all of them go by. This place where this guy for come out, when some people for see come out, when people say they not die, but people die for inside that water. People spend 3 days for inside that water, they see they find them. Is it not that same water this boy come out from? The rest one when they see come out, is it not that same water? Happy they go say this one, the one where this boy go, na swimming pool. Not be swimming pool or this one go. This one all go the same place when other people go. Why una they put allegation for this boy head? Why una want label this boy as a bad person? Somebody when the gods of a land use to protect people when they say all of them no perish. Why are you people against this guy? That bed when that guy carry, that they use him for river. We there, yeah, oh. The name of your river, the things when they there, everything we know, we know they talk everything. You say we don't come here, oh. They go enter inside the river. They go, they do this one. That is how they do it. Bro, you are welcome back home. You see that water when you for come back, what did you go do? Go buy things, go give that water. And if you go buy something, go give that water. No be foul when you don't dey born. No be hen when you don't dey duduvaga foul. You see what they talk so? Now the chicks, now you go carry. If you carry the woman when dey, you carry male, you carry female, small one. Go market, go and buy it. You are a strong man of your own. You can do the sacrifice by yourself. Without say, you not tell anybody. But only waiting you go do. The controller of that river, people when they control that river, you go and see them. Yes, because those people see they pray that any ship when he enter this river, they still they pray for them say, may people know they buy. You know me say, person no go buy, person go still buy. All these people, all these Ogbanje men, Ogbanje women, all those seer, that if they break, that they go to that river, go through away this thing. They come the river down, say, your children, they pass here, or people, they pass here, or may you follow them. I better not kill them, I better not swallow them. Because they know, say, river, it can't turn. That is how it work. Then, what did this boy go do? Bro, not listen to them. You are a strong man. What did you go do? You for your own village, where your papa for come, there is a seer there. You will first go greet that seer. Tell the seer, say, the river when you for survive, when you no die, you want go carry something, go give that river. If you reach there, the people that control that river, you go meet them. They go tell you, waiting, you go carry come. And if you they go, tell them, say, and a small chicks, now they take they don't those small baby hen. baby, a native United this one. If you reach there, tell them say now the small one, you use them, give them to the river. Tell them say thank you, as I not die for inside this water. Leave the chick for there, male and female, leave them for there. You go see wetin go happen to you, in 6 months' time. When the chicken don't they grow, God go reveal something when He say you come this life, can't do. The people when they say, now you cause the accident, bro, no mind them, not be you cause the accident. The work when you do a great job. They don't know waiting that they talk. I will say you died just now. They know what talk say now you cause the accident. That bed that they ring. People when they say they know they ring that bed, they know they ring that bed, they don't even believe say water they exist. People when you don't believe water, how they believe say God they? They will say, hey, I don't believe water. I don't know whether water they do something. I don't believe water. Okay, how do you know that God they? No be the God when you did they shout every day. No be create the water. No be Satan create water. Everything on this head, now God in heaven, now He creates everything. The way when we won't be human being, take the user, now He made this something they destroy us. You hear, bro? Congratulations. Yeah, we congratulate him. All the others they say, see, he carried this thing. That thing that they use him. Even he say, they want carry you go river. You want carry gift, go give river. They see they ring that bell. Then they ring am. You know, that bell no be cause accident. That bell when evil ring save, evil save. He save a lot of them. I will say that boy, he calm. He sleep. He no act the way we take act. Things for too spoil. But the something no come to spoil again. Everybody cannot just go somewhere. All of them go just by. No. So can still survive it. Now be this life we will do so. Anybody when they talk say, they see waiting, he stand, they ring. But do you know that bell when that boy they ring? You now know waiting he give to that river. You now know. If they get up, if they ring, if they get up, if they ring. Now, he ancestors protect this guy, protect some people when be say he survivor. Like this Junior Pope, when all of them they shout now, Junior Popo, Junior Popo, Junior Popo. Junior Pope, I will say una do the traditional thing. Junior Pope for still they alive today. Because of una naive. Now he made Junior Pope, he no make with the rest. Una carry they come and leave them for ground. No pumping, nothing, no sacrifice. Person when river, person when river drunk, no be that day, all the old water they come out for a body. No be that day. They go do something for 7 days before people will recover themselves back again. 14 days before people will recover themselves back again. Some people, if they recover themselves back again, they can be deaf and dumb. Why be say they be deaf? Why be say they will become deaf and dumb? If you talk too much, if you no get secret, wait till you see for under water. Because to fall for inside water, there is something you will experience for inside water. When they say you talk too much, you not get secret of mouth, they make you deaf and dumb. So that means you no fit talk waiting you see for inside water. Did you see it? Some people, if they survive, they will become water, they will serve water. Now, so it they be. I don't understand. This guy, you are welcome. Anybody that is judging you, if they judge your ancestors, now your ancestors go fight them. Leave them, make them they judge you, bro. If you can go inside that water, come out for inside that water. You not be nylon bag. Is it a nylon bag? It not be nylon bag. Only nylon bag they sell top of water. It not be nylon bag. It did go deep. To the same way when people sit there go deep, he survive. He even survive a girl. Another girl, he survive. If not only that girl is fit survive. Why this boy no talk say, I bet no home you, no come sunk me for your bet. He still carry that girl along. Oh, Nigeria people. You guys should stop this. I don't know. Una go say una like this one pass this one. Una like this one pass this one. At the end of the day, una they say una like. Una no like her. Una be hypocrites. You guys are fucking hypocrites. Somebody when they inside water, they drag. Another person hold on. He carry person, follow body, save that person life. Then as they come today now, they say blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. How they believe Nigeria when it comes to Nigeria talk? I know they believe, bro. You have to go do some things, some sacrifice. If they say go church, brother, forget church. Now the people when they say they know God, hi mommy. Good evening. Now you they greet good morning. Now you they wake up. You know?
I slept so fucking good, man.
That's good. Where you going?
Going out with my friend.
Okay now.
See what you do.
See you, man.
It's boring.
Oh, you don't have anything to do. Yeah, the clothes inside washing machine. Can you please help me to line it? Okay? Put it in rope out there.
Yeah, you see how my mom is? I'm going out.
Okay, lock the door for me. Lock that door for me.
How you want me to do it?
That is it, my darling. That is it. Yeah. Now so debut. But my bro, you carry grace. They didn't see it in you. This guy, when you now see so, now strong man, I ain't be. If people they talk say, can't go church, go give thanksgiving to church. No, go church, go give thanksgiving. Go that river. People when they walk for, they tell them say, as this river no kill you, you survive one. Go do sacrifice for them. Even people when the river kill self, they see they do sacrifice before they go bury them. Talk and say who they alive. You must do sacrifice as you take they alive. That is it. My people, this life, people don't know the waiting water carry. They'll just they talk. He save a life. Save life. This guy mind pure. You know, gets too hard. Now good heart now he gets. Yeah, that is it. Okay.
But not the milk one. But what I want. I'll send you one.
Which one?
I'll send you one.
Okay. If I will fit go, because me I never walk finish. You know, say I pack clothes put for there when I will do wash. Tomorrow I will iron some. That is it, my people. That is it, my people. Anybody did you did this thing now? Anybody that is saying blah 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 blah, the people where they say they pray, they say they be Christian, and they say they be Christian. As you they enter river na house of God, you they enter. When you na they talk house of God, okay, that say river when you enter, no be God creator. You say you be Christian. The prayer when you they pray for inside house of God, why you not see pray the prayer for here? If you enter house of God, wait till you go pray. If you sit down, you say, may God, I day here today, oh God in heaven, I come for your house today, oh, protect me, blah 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 blah. You get a lot of things when you go talk, and not be I not go talk for here. Then you pray for good life. You pray for God to protect you. You can use your own language to do the prayer. As na church say na English, na you dey use. When you want enter that canoe, na one cross river, you first still pray. Water when I enter so, I beg, as I dey on top of you, I don't carry evil heart o. As I dey cross, I beg, protect me, going and coming. It's still the same. Just okay. Some people go enter motor, they go pray for safety, but you enter boat. You not pray for safety. They say make they do this, una say na church una they go. Okay, one not carry Bible. I will say una see carry Bible now. Una see Mommy water when carry Bible for inside river. Since una can't know how God create this word finish. He do Bible, he give church, he do native chalk, he give this thing. Since na native chalk say this thing not do, not be black powder on white or one and no ho. One and no ho. Some of una dey go church. If una don't born pikin, if ratchis don't enter una pikin body, una will go market, una go buy native chalk. Una will take rub una pikin, make ratchis for go. That native chalk, where for they come? Is it not river? You people don't even know what you are doing. Yes, you see something say river, no. But you people, you take your cloth. Some people that they village, they'll say that they go church. If they want go wash their cloth, they go river, go wash their cloth. They go to river and wash their cloth. Why you not use your speech to wash cloth? Your dirtiness, one and no user. There's something that you people are using. You mock the something. Even you are using, why people are like this? How can you be using something? You are using your mind to spoil that something. Eh? That is it, oh, my people. Korra. There be Mumu now. From Victor do live just now. You see, before the live video end, I think I was the last caller, something like that. I don't know. You know, see, I tell Frank, say, I beg, if they bring all those police waiting police invest for you, use them. No, they listen to all these callers when they don't enter school. You know, most of them, they don't enter school. Person when say, not finish primary school, you don't know, say, nah, you get as it they be now. I don't enter secondary school where you reach. Now primary 5 now reach. For this 20-something century. Even the time when we go school that time, now 60 naira na be our school fees. 60 naira, we still go school. My old data, I use my own to buy chigon. If I reach out, I say, I don't see school fees. They will still give me. You know, that is it. They say, my darling, they say, with police, now prank, now that they do. With police, they do prank. How do you guys, how did you think Nigeria abroad police? Can you even do prank with Nigeria police? Let's see if it's prank. You know, we know they argue too much. Like when things like this come, I don't argue the matter. Because why? Now people when go school, now they handle the case. Let's look. Now people when not go school, now then they drag issue. Because they are so naive, you know. People when not go school, and they are very naive people, they can argue. Even if say something day, you say see and read down, they go see they argue. Even if say you they read down for them, they go see they argue. You know, see from Victor if they read the police report, call us, they see they argue, and they see they tell from Victor say, now your husband, Korra husband, one same person. He can't reach London. What he concern? Oh, you bought the divorce. Now they say Korra husband do like this, Korra husband not do like this. I don't understand. That is Nigeria for you. They're too delinquent. You get one caller. That time he say he may get when I'm wearing a bottle. And I say, oh caller, you don't finish market. Who be that caller that time? Which platform where I'm wearing a bottle now? In a magic school now, it's only an behave video. That is it. You know. That's so they're too.
They behave like Akbero.
I don't hear your mouth. Yeah. You don't see her. But do they carry the food? They follow body. Okay. You know, police they say na prank this that. Hotel when you go sleep, how the person continue say he dey hotel like this, they can track you. They go fit track you. You know, they can Abi Titi. Yeah, they can track you. Yeah. If you dey find your earpiece for this house sometimes, not be your phone. You they find your earpiece. Your what did they call them? Huh?
Yes, look.
Okay.
Through here,
Okay.
and then have it look.
Okay. See, if the earpiece not there inside this house, now this phone will tell you say e no
It's not
dey.
in the beard. Like
Okay.
now, he's telling me the airport is in.
The beard.
Yeah, in the beard.
Okay, be I see.
And then when I'm. Look.
You see am now? I think you not go show your picture.
No. I don't have any picture. Now look. Think you go green now.
Okay. There is a lot of things on this smartphone, but people do know that this
No, but
smartphone.
this is the newest airport and this is the newest iPhone.
Okay. Then,
That's why.
like if you are going, if I'm at home now, if I
Look,
leave,
you will say it's here.
okay. If I leave house now, you can track me. I mean,
I can track you, yes.
Joe,
If I want to track
you can track me. You can, if anywhere where you day, your phone will tell you, say, see the area where you day.
Yeah, because it's good if you don't know where you are.
Okay.
And your phone is gonna tell you this is the location you are.
Okay.
Like, look. Let me show you. I go to Google Maps. See? It's telling me now. Here. Home.
There was this. There was see Chris Shorten.
No, I'm not going to show them.
No, somebody's asking me. Wait till I wrote for face.
Look, number 6.
Okay.
Number 7.
Hey.
No, but I'm not saying his number. He's telling me that I'm at number 7.
Okay. See now track. He there inside house now. He track. Number 5 show. Number 6 show. Number 7 show. Okay, mommy, track me now where I am. They go tell you, say, see where I am.
You're still here.
Okay. Just track me now, say where I did. No, it's not. She could have been tracked, but it's not look
Everybody can track
French.
you.
Upset by her own great actors and can that. You know, that is it. Now so, good afternoon, I greet you now. They can nicer house we dey now. My daughter track. Where you dey now, you track, you can put it in there. They go say how you can't tell no. How the person can't tell no say dey here.
It's phone, everything is phone.
Okay, yeah, they can they go if police want catch you. No be track police, they will track on you.
Those police don't do that with your phone number, right?
Yeah, you can do everything.
Hello.
My mom, then they argue. How can we live with delinquent people? Now delinquent people, now they want can they educate you? How can somebody when you drop from primary 6, now want can they educate somebody that finished SS3? Did you know the level of education you take in junior secondary school and senior secondary school? Junior secondary school is JSS1, JSS2, JSS3. Senior secondary school is SS1, SS2, SS3. Then person when he say if he not even complete the primary school, he not complete the primary school. You cannot, if you not complete your primary school, you cannot debate with somebody when he enter JSS1. Person when he finish JSS1, he get JSS1, JSS2, JSS3, he get brain pass you. When you drop for secondary school, are you serious? Primary school, say now primary 4, now for now not gonna go school again. Primary 5, I'm not gonna go school again. There is a lot of people that finish secondary school, primary school, they couldn't have money to continue their secondary school. Some of them, they go learn work. Through that work, they will have wisdom, have knowledge. The way they talk. Go say, why are you here? Go say, yes. Person when you finish secondary, primary school, we get brain. There is a lot of people, they finish primary school, their brain, they hot. Yeah, because they are illiterate. Now they worried, say, Yeah, that illiteracy is a disease. You can't hold it. That is why I don't drag issue with them. Because you when you finish secondary school now, you cannot just take yourself so low. Go to drag issue with somebody that left primary 4. You know, go school, leave primary 4. Did you know what is junior secondary school? Junior secondary school is the highest level. When you come up for primary 6, you write. Oh my God. You go write common entrance. There is a lot of them, they didn't write common entrance. Common entrance, they no write am. They no write am. They no go hall, go write common entrance. Oh my God. They say, lovely, you be mumu. Lovely, you dey craze. Cathy, go and sleep. You too like food. The time you dey lick your mouth like say tomorrow no day. See, I don't open this door for you. You don't run, because this I want to open window for her. You know? May I even open am for you? May you go dey play. You know, what are you? No, may you go sleep. Go and sleep. Remain small when your owner will take come. You know? They didn't go to school. They don't go school. They don't do common entrance that will take them to secondary school. That's a junior secondary school. They didn't do common entrance. They don't enter hall. Nothing. They are just talking. Blah, 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 blah. They make noise on social media. Delinquent illiterates. Our foolish adult, when they see that you are speaking the truth, you use your brain. They talk. They'll come and insult you. Una insult na mwe sawa. Mwe sawa. Na una insult be. You know, una insult na mwe sawa. This person, you don't see carry root okoro. You don't see carry this your, whether you be herbalist man, whether you be native doctor, whether you be spiritual. I don't even know. Sometimes you drop this your comments, but I cannot understand you. I am not looking for something to heal. Somebody root, he writes something for you. He writes something for you. Maybe he's a spiritual person. And if you need, maybe he can help you. You know, that's it. When I see when they are talking, so they don't see the way they are saying something. Like the caller that called before I call in. Frank Victor play everything. He still there, they argue. Now Frank Victor say, he don't play this thing. You know here. And I some commenters, you know, they are so, I don't know, they just bounce into conversation. You know, there's a lot of them, they bounce into conversation. And at the end of the day, when these people see that there is a point coming from your side, did you know what they want to do? They will just say, that lovely when you called just now, you cannot be intelligent more than me. You didn't go to school. Did you know this school I went? Did you see Indian College in Edo State? Indian College. That's the school I went in Ishaland. Now that's the school I go for Ishaland. You see all those ladies school, all those guest school. And you see guest school. You know? If they're going to talk, I always bring point. I don't talk because I want to talk. Do you know why my point? They pick them up. I'm not in any side. When it comes to social media handle, anybody that do live, I can contribute when I'm interested. I do contribute. Not be everything they contribute put. I contribute when the live video presenter, when it's making sense. Do you know what they do sometimes? They will like to come, but they say, hey, not be like this, so it not there like this. From Victor, talk well. If now, no get day platform, no get talk well. If now this person day platform, Johnny Bisigbe not be like this, so no matter how I go turn and reach, those people they will still go back to their point. I love people. They can listen to you guys, but they will still go back to their point. There is no way I can do things with these people. They argue irrelevant, nonsense things that when they are arguing, you'll be asking yourself, where are they from? That I don't state. Even villages where he gets only 5 houses. The next village, that they go school for there. There is a village, after our village, there is one small village. I think the house when they don't reach 5. Those people, they can't go school for our village. They go school. Yes, that they can't go school. Sometimes, I don't deal with people, I don't deal with people that don't think before they talk. I don't do hate. If I want to judge you, I'm going to judge you with everything you put on social media. I'm not going to use my word to judge you. It's what you put on social media. That is what I'm going to use against you in the court of law. Yes, because I'm waiting that they practice there. That is what I bring to table. That is it. Do you ever see something that I practice on social media, you will bring it on table? No, I don't practice irrelevant things. Now, irrelevant things, one of the practice, that is what I bring on social media. You should get a point. Whenever I release my point, I know what I'm doing. I don't talk because I want to talk. I'm not a jump person. I don't have time for that. When you do nyanga, we give you say nyanga, you do. When you are right, I still let you know that you are right. I don't have enemy. I don't get enemy for social media. Whatever you guys put on social media, that is what I will pick. Then I will use it against you people in the court of my law. That is what I do. Then let's call a spade a spade. I don't have time to do with illiterate and delinquent fools. They are illiterate. The people that you will see face to face, they cannot talk to you. They will be looking you, wow, now she be this. If you see me for granted, you not go feel follow me talk. Because I won't give you that fucking time. Now, I'm going to rub head for inside poto. Instead of you guys to go to school, you refuse. Only what you guys know not to carry prick like to stick. That is what get into you guys call. Carry prick like to stick. There is some things. Yes, we also committee insulting EU from Victor. That's what they will normally do. I don't have that. Do you know this kind of people from Victor don't even know them? You know, my darling, they know whenever I talk, I knock the point. And they always knock the point. I go to the straight of the nail. I hit it down. I don't they tell say do not like this, not do not like this, because I don't join anybody. When it comes to say, let's say the truth, I will say it. Even if you say you be my brother, you do nyanga. I'm going to say the truth, say, bro, you are not trying. You fucked up. Let people that fucked up know say they fucked up. We know that. I don't know why they are still fighting Korra up till now. I thought that is past. Why are they still doing that? Now, okay, let's say, for example, now, say, if police now can't see that girl now, if the guy can't say, see people weighing say now, see who they fight for. If they can't arrest those people, can you guys do something? You cannot do anything. Even that person when you support, you say, God forbid, though. I don't know, say, you go feel go like this, so I don't know, so you go feel do somebody like this, so do yourself when they feel say they support that person. You say, for Facebook, no, God forbid. There is something you people don't know. When it comes to you spray something, somebody something, when you spray something on somebody, white people, you see, for obodojibo, they don't like it. There is a lot of chemical you can prepare by yourself. Anything that you spray on someone, is a chemical. If you are spraying something sometimes, now some people go quick dodge on. Before you will toss it, now water. The white people say, I don't know. I don't know what you have in there. That I have to dodge myself. I don't know if you have condemned something there. Do you understand? That is it. When somebody sprays something, then even if it's now water, you must quick you escape because you don't know what you carry for there. Whether not something when people say they burn somebody, you can use, let me tell you, most of these people, they never fight for streets. You see these people when they never fight for streets. You see this chemical when they use so. There is a lot of people, they fight for streets. They know the kind of chemical you can spray for somebody's eye. It can even blind you, not be only acid. Did you see bleach? You see bleach and salt, it can blind you. Bleach and salt, put bleach for inside salt, spray am for inside your cloth. Spray am for your cloth, in seconds. Carry this cloth, carry the cloth, hold am, drag am. The cloth go make jelly. Where you dey zip, your cloth where you get zip, enter inside house. And if you know they use am again, enter inside house now. Use bleach with salt, put am for that this thing, it go spoil. Anything where they spray, anything chemical. If you can spray chemical on somebody, even if say now something you spray, now water you spray, whatsoever you spray, now salt you put for inside spray, is against the law. You practice this barbaric. When you practice barbaric, the white people know they like it. It did their article, so you will go for it. Because that is human. Now so, it take the work for Bodojibo. Anything that you practice, white people don't like it. When you spray something, then they see tear gas. Tear gas is, when you spray somebody tear gas, the police will ask you, where did you buy this your tear gas? People where they never run things for street, they argue. You can put salt for inside bleach, spray on for somebody. If you enter eye, You know they see some people when bleach, by mistake enter their eye. You get one of my girlfriend, bleach by mistake enter his eye. He come the feel say now play. One day now he come call me, he say I bleach enter his eye. He say now play, He say go hospital, they wash and come for him. Do you know somebody spray? Okay, why does it do now lay your face the one born? If somebody should spray chemical for your face, it can still make you blind. Before you blink, the something don't already enter your eye. So they tell say, na pepper put for water. As far as say, if they attend murder, you they attend to keep person, you will go for it. Attend murder, go to jail. A killer, murderer, go to jail. Attend to kill, they go jail. Killer, they go jail. Yes. If you attempt to kill, you go jail. If you start somebody now, you go jail. If police control you, they see knife for your this thing. They must carry you go police station. Why you carry knife? They must control you. Why is it that these people, they are so delicate? Person when wear mask, how they go contest here? Person when wear mask, how they go contest here? I say, are you guys serious? Even the mask when that person wear so, if they put the mask on out, where he breath enter, breath. Because I don't know what it be breath. When you go like, you know so they will feel put on for machine. The woman face go show. The woman face go show. They go pull on. As I wear this cloth now, this one at back of this cloth now, I use to take cover my face like this. The plinth of my face don't already did this cloth. They get machine when they go put on. The machine go show the face of that person. These people, they are not into, you know what, they say they live village saga life. There is this thing when I watch. All those people, when they don't check on Jesus Christ. Did you know that one certain time I did watch something, I forget whether on midnight, something like that. You know, say sometimes they will just show up. Then I can see say, they can't say, the cloth when they carry, when they take cover Jesus Christ. You see, because they know, and if they talk, they will say you don't know anything. The cloth when they take cover Jesus Christ, they want to know if now Ojibo are be black. They put on for this thing. He no grisho. The cloth when they take cover Jesus Christ, they say they see the cloth, they go put on for machine. You no grisho the face of the person. They make piri. The way they just know, carry man come, the man will carry prick, come, make some more for prick. After you make some more for prick, finish the prick, he go give you belly. pass you for common just now. The prick will give you belly. After the prick give you belly finish, you born. After you born finish, you start to the shout, they go. Come they put irrelevant comments for war. They will put irrelevant nonsense call. They put them for work. Delinquent. What are we doing with these adult delinquents? What did they do? I can't do things with them. When I reach where they're there, I know this is an adult delinquent. The way when you go put something for body, now you no say it's an adult delinquent. We are near so I'm with trousers, I buy your coat, their belly go shoot, come out. They know they burn their fat when they their belly. What are you doing with adult delinquents? Delinquent is not born or delinquent when it's dirty. What are you doing with adult delinquent? I don't know when is enough, when you are leaving your track, when you are going to somebody's this thing, another person Zoom, you don't know. Even if they stop, don't pass, they go pass. An irrelevant, stupid children. Irrelevant, stupid children. Bonbon cla. They say lovely. Are you crazy? Now they met. If I follow you, stand. If I talk one, talk two. You don't get word when you won't talk. Now let's shout, you go, they shout. I'll leave you, maybe they practice your stupidity. Because that is what we know you guys for. Practice your stupidness. They fool yourself for there. They talk irrelevant talk. Sometimes the word where they put for live video is different. Their contribution is different. How can you do with those kind of people? What you put on social media is different. Your contribution is different. It doesn't run together. Then what are you doing with those kind of people that don't know when to contribute and they don't know what to say at that moment? Playing something for you, you don't know. Let's say they play something. When from Vitos, all of them, when they stay for comment section, when they zoo, when they say na lie, na prank, you both can't just get time. Can't they follow na they prank? I don't understand though. I don't know the kind of country one na day. All of that they do for them. One just they talk to me. You be sure no they talk to you. You know, you be sure you esa no gbo won mo lo wehin. You be sure when you frustrate. I don't fit talk to you. You know, or how no pa me that just is them unki na ugwa. I don't if you like me you be sure you they follow one useless person or the person don't even know where for they come. You expect me to come join you over my dead body to join you to the fight irrelevant fight. Are you guys kidding? Did they mention my name for that? I say, look at this bonbon class. You think I go reply to you? I'm not going to answer you. You go jump and pass. You know, there is a lot of people you jump past. They say, now lie. What else is what they do now lie? When from Victor start to they play this thing, when somebody says something for them, comment section stop. You know, even love, you know, observer. I say, no, you people should continue your drumfoolery. Una drumfoolery, may you not see continue around. Your stupidity. Una see continue around. They come to show and say, even the woman self, even obey the eye of person when you wear mask. You know? That's it. That is the only thing that girl can do. Now, if somebody they follow you, they fight when you wear mask, If you they drag on, try to drag that mask come on for your face, make you know who it be. Because camera they everywhere. And they say, this. Very, very irrelevant set of delinquents. And they see small children delinquent. They see old adult delinquent. You know, you people should go back to school. School can help you. Sometimes they say, hey, lovely, you they think say now you know pass. I know more than you. Because this country, they use 10,000 euro to send me go school. The school when I go, not be community school, not be I go. I didn't go to community school. Not be I go. This country, their education, they put me there. Now 10,000 euro, now be the school fees when they pay for me. They pay transport, journal. Money for transport, not there. That money for transport not there. Now only school fees 10,000 euro. I go to school for good 4 years. I learned a lot of things there. When it comes to police issue, I don't drag it. It's their work because they teach us. If you follow person, if I know they thought, they go live for mama, they go live for mama. Live on, they live for mama. It's going to spend that 24 hours. You must spend 20. If police carry you, you must spend 24 hours. You got to spend it. They don't just carry you now and leave you. So they go spend 16 hours. It did their law. Once they carry you reach police station, you got to spend hours. You can spend 8 hours. Now so they be. And if they carry you reach police station, see say your matter no be police. From police station, they go carry you go prison. Now prison you want come. Down prison they will come. They carry you. They carry go court of law. And so it they happen. But I don't come here come they fool myself. I mean, I can a live video presenter. You said that you present something. Then the people around you they are delinquent, foolish delinquents. How can you grow up? How can you do things? Everything when they do, they say that they fight. Who are they fight for? I don't want you guys to fight for me. I don't want you guys to follow me, to push me inside trouble. I pray that this fight that you guys are fighting, it should not put you people into problem. By the time they will give you now 6 months for prison, when you guys come back, if you see live video, you go wrong. You go wrong. Very irrelevant, useless people. You want to, lovely, waiting lovely, they talk. Did you have brain? You think you have brain? When chemical, when they put for acid, when it dey inside battery, it dey expire. I've experienced it. It dey expire. I experienced some years back. I carry the battery. I want to put on for this thing. It can't dey drop. Another person went there. Hey, carry on down because the battery don't already spoil. Battery when it don't spoil. If you see the mouth, you go be like say they bring foam. Acid when they put for battery when it don't spoil, you go they bring foam. You know go fit damage you. You know go fit damage you. The waiting people know, don't drag it. There is something that you have never come across. A lot of people, they have come and crossed that something. When they talk, cease noise. Yes, even when I thought that one just now, from Victor say yes. Say some battery there, if this thing don't expire, you can even use and take wash hand. That acid when it dey battery, they can use and take wash something for inside car. Then they use and take wash all those car this thing. Car spare parts. Then they use and take wash hand. Acid when it don't expire. It dey expire. If it expire, you no go feel react again. I have seen it. I always say I don't see her for no talk. There is another woman when you still talk say yes, it don't come across this thing before. This something happened to her. When something happened to somebody, when somebody say it, you don't know, you have to keep it in your brain in case of next time. Then you people should stop being naive and stupid and irrelevant people. Irrelevant, I don't understand. Which Edo state? Where are they coming from? A school full Edo state. Should I count the schools when they're Edo states? When we say, people from Benin, they get their admission, their name come out for Irua Guest School. People for Benin, they go Irua Guest School. Secret out for this thing, Ubiaja. Where your name for come out? People, ACC. Benin guys go ACC de Irua. What are you guys saying? They don't know school, nothing. They'll come on social media, they talk because on a fee from Lakbaduza enter house. I always say now flight, now those people still take on, they deport them. Because waiting they inside their passport, they don't go talk and they talk on that thing. But now go school, you people should go back to school. Sometimes try to use Google. You can use something different, something to create chemical when you go feel born person. Yes, You go fit use different something to create bleach now, eh? When you are washing ground, bleach too much for wetin you take dey wash ground, it can give you headache. Because why? You hail am in, it can give you headache. And if you drink medicine, do not use anything chemical. It go affect you. If you drink Panadol, it don't affect so many people. When you drink Panadol, no carry bleach. When you have bleach in, you don't drink medicine, you have bleach in, it go worry you. Any something when you spray, the people, people will talk say this is an acid. There is acid you can do by yourself. Now you people should stop beating around the bush everywhere. If you see same person they talk through now, one month they insult the person. I don't know now before. Even if someone insult me, I don't care. The new people ask that they insult now, since that they insult now, they insult now because why? You people, you are irrelevant. By the time I they reply to now, you're gonna be like, I see they fool myself. You know what they pay now? I know they follow my play, and I can never follow you people play. I ignore now, and that is how I will ignore you people until the day when my sugar bear go remove Facebook. You guys think that I have time? Me, I be that one person. Oh, I be that one person. I get ego. I want to reduce myself. Make small children come they play over my dead body. No buy something for me. No dash me money. I don't need your gift. They can give you gift. They will use the gift to draw you near body. Begin to they disrespect you. I don't need you guys gifts. I don't need anything from you guys. When it comes to, if you want to greet me, you are a responsible child. Then I can give you ears, say how you dey, how your children. I greet you the way mother do take care of children. But when you just come say you want to do irrelevant friendship with me, I don't take that. I select people that I make friendship with. I will say I be person when they make friendship anyhow. As I did this Facebook, a lot of people go come out because they say we know lovely now. We know lovely now. I don't do friendship with you. Can be talking. I'll be watching you. If you they talk now, if you they use like this, get the way when I say they look, you know, you guys should get that into your score. You guys should go to school. You need it. Now primary school now for stop. Now enter abroad now if you go school. I will delinquent mumu. They say, see now, as the same report can't give from Victor. As from Victor they read now just now comment section where now can't go. Now stay. You see You see, as that this thing where they say, you drive on enter inside on share. Una come enter inside on share. You people, you not come commit again. Useless children of a useless parents. You guys, you are coming from a useless parents' house. Cause you guys, anything you guys get from the noise making you are making, that's a big deal. How about they go your pockets? Anything you do, when you do anyhow, you get anyhow. This is Europe. As you see me, so I don't beat the law. I don't beat law. I respect the rules. Most of them, when they say, if you see a beaten, if you talk to you beaten, let me tell you, if you get documents, you they prepare for your documents. I'm going to give this advice to you. Keep it in your memory, or go and find something, jot it down, and keep it for yourself. Get a jotter. There is some people today, they have spent 20 years in abroad. They're supposed to be a citizen of that country. They have documents when it go make them be citizen of that country. They could give them the citizenship. Why? Most of them go prison, come out. If I talk another, they'll say, shut up, you can't lie. You can't lie. The time when I tell them, say, when that time that they drag his race, they say his race gets a Germany passport. I did a live video. I say if his race get Germany passport, now people going to say, yeah, mom, I get Germany passport. I say before you know, Germany they will go bring and come. I go tell them say if I go Nigeria now say I did that kind of problem, Holland go come carry me. They say, shut up, you will not get document, you dead crazy. I beg you, make you come just die for Nigeria. I say, look at these bullshit people, irrelevant. I will not go on wow. What happened? They talk of a race, They break. They say Harry Race, he don't dey Germany. Harry Race don't know how he dey reach Germany. Come, they want to carry you, carry an entire. Now this thing, jet can pick you. Jet go fit pick you. They have rescue jets. Or you both get rescue jets. They will go there pick you. Now they're going to shout. But the day when I carry my passport come out, now that they say, now wow, now passport she even get. Don't trade with people that is intelligent more than you guys. You know, say if now they do something sometimes I'll they look now because I look now say una they learn before una reach where I did. It go hard because I don't go. Make bane. Many people will say make bane me yereba. Before you know, any race. Now you, as I see who they do live video, they're going to say, I love fair talker. I say, yes. People that have wisdom, when they talk, they know what they are saying. See this book, cook and book things one that they do for social media. It's going to land you guys in big trouble. When a woman don't they get children, you get where you go do something rich. Or let's say you don't care for your children, you don't really have that love for your children, you don't respect your children. When you go far, then when something affects you, it's going to affect your children. Like all those people now when they fight, a lot of them, they have children. Something should affect you now, the police come arrest you, they carry you, go prison. By the time you know your government, your children go reach government hand. That's why they be. Like most of you people now, any small thing here, I want to go block them for road, I go beat them. Once your name don't dey, you go prison, can't forget. You can never get European passport. You know, there is nothing when you go, if you like, take lawyer. You don't enter blacklist. You enter blacklist. Do you know what is blacklist? For Europe, if you thief, they catch you, they put them down. If you won't go do your passport, they not go feed, they'll fair investigate you. When the years back, when they give me my passport, they say they're going to see me. I'm going to hear for them after 2 weeks. They never tell me what they are going to do. After 2 weeks, they call on me. I went there. Then they say, yeah. Say, you have no bad record. You are not in any blacklist. I say, what are you talking about? I say, yeah, you didn't go to prison. You did steal at the market. I say, wow. Did you see? You see, huh? Then my procedure, you go. I always say, I go market, thief. They catch me, they carry me, go police station. They write my name, put for ground, say I thief. Or I beat person, I go prison. They write my name, say I don't go prison, come. They're not going to give me that passport again. They'll say, no, we can't give you the passport. Did you see it? I be say, if not, they do something sometimes. In future, good afternoon, how you did, Ben? In future, you dey Europe, they think future, because everybody when it comes this Europe, everybody wants make it get European passport. There is nobody when no one may get European passport. You can get European passport today. You go back to Nigeria and stay in Nigeria. You don't already be citizen of the country. You feel they travel, they go, they come. They travel, they go, they come. Because they are not going to take passport for you again. Nothing. Or let's say you go do one kind thing. You know, or let's say you attend to murder. Say you want to kill person. With that, you can get problem for that. That is life. You see some people today, they never get documents. They don't already they enter blacklist. We will there Europe. Everybody want to have this European passport. But when you don't be careful, you say you be Odunga. You want to they fight up and down. Man, when your name they blacklist, when it's time for you to get your European passport, they're not going to give it to you. If you have paper, as I'm talking now, you people, you have to be careful. Even if somebody say, come on, while I go there. When you get European document, you don't need to fight again. Yes, you don't need to fight again. Because you can hit somebody, they can arrest you, your name go dey blacklist. When it comes to say You want to get European passport, they'll say they no go give you. Yes, they check computer. That is it. Then I don't deal with local, useless, ignorant, nonsensical, stupid people. I don't deal with you guys. And there is no way I can take myself so low. Can they talk to irrelevant people? People when they don't get brain. Only waiting that they waiting lovely they talk just now. Ayo. Even the person when they do the live video, when I talk, the person still explain as it when be say, it don't expire when not get power again. My people, may I live now? Make that they fight for them. I mean, I would laugh. I do my best. I know they fight. If you see me for those say you won't fight me, I know they fight. So this one when my hand just let me so. Money they come. Which money be that? Wait, they let me. They let me. Oh, government picking. Money they come. Oh, now so they say government picking. So the woman when put government picking for my mouth. One day they said the woman say, I will say, I even see the government even they help her now. He go like her. I pray to Almighty God in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen. All of them now. Now some my darling, and they say government picking. I thought they say I be government picking. Easy. You go fit Chester, Even love, as you go fit Chester. Government picking when you hold Ledaland P. When I use Ledaland P te zuzu then I bust area. One bini guy say, hey, where ikioya, your matter get as be. When you argue where say, a passport you wear mulad and say now we they run. The guy laugh away. When no, when mama.